Hi guys, my name is Alexander and this is my first YouTube video. I got into internet trading at 21 with no knowledge and plenty of mistakes along the way. Fast forward 6 years now, I have a team of professionals, a successful project called Trading Academy, and a lifestyle I could only dream of before: freedom, travel, and a stable income. But this isn't about bragging. I simply want to show you that anyone can achieve this. All you need is a laptop, a bit of time, and a willingness to learn. In today's video, I will share one of my favorite strategies, the MACD indicator. It's straightforward, a bit of theory, a real trade demonstration, and the results. Make sure you watch this video until the end. It will be worth it. So let's get started. So guys, the time frame is 1 minute. For this kind of short-term strategy, that's enough. We're working fast but precisely. Now I'm adding MACD, our main tool. It helps spot when the market is overheated or ready for reversal. And next, I'm scanning for a valid signal, and we are looking for a situation where the indicator clearly shows a potential reversal, and this is really interesting. Let's see. No need to rush because we have time, and the right setup will come. Here we have a lot of pairs with OTC mark or without them. This one looks interesting, but not quite yet. Let me think what we will have here, because you need to choose the pair very precisely, very clearly. Very good. It will be very necessary for us to earn and to add the indicators that are really good. So yeah guys, let's try. There it is. The green line is crossing the red from above, and it's happening in their upper zone. That means that a set is overbought. We can expect a move down. So setting a trade duration for 1 minute and still watching the market, guys. Even if we just got a signal, I always double check other pairs. There could be a cleaner setup elsewhere. Sometimes the best trade shows up right after the first one. Yeah, it happens. And the key is to, stay selective, no jumping in blindly. This one looks promising, by the way, but still not quite ready. So, waiting for confirmation, guys. I want to see a clear crossover, no guessing, just solid structure. I'm in a 1 minute trade, guys. Downwards, $200 this time. This is our currency pair. This is our indicators here. Now we just wait. It's important not to interfere once the trade is live. Sometimes the price might seem to go against you, but if your analysis is right, you stay calm. And MACD isn't about chasing impulses. It's about, reading build-up pressure in the price. And we're in the upper zone right now with a crossover from above. And, everything points to a correction here. Let's see, guys, how it plays out. So let's wait some time. Let's wait for 7 seconds. Our trade will finish. And what do we have here? Yes! Trade closing profit. Clear setup, patience. That's how it's done, guys. Today's trading session resulted in $382 profit, and this is just the beginning. Or better yet, this is just a small taste of what I can teach you guys. In upcoming videos, I will demonstrate you how this strategy performs under tougher conditions, challenging markets, false signals, and even losing trades. If you want to see the entire process, the ups and downs, and everything in between, subscribe to my channel. If you found this helpful, support this video by hitting the like button and comment below if you would like me to analyze trades from subscribers in future videos. Also, don't forget to join my Telegram channel. There I do live signals, trading results, and access to copy trading. See you soon. The best is yet to come.